Good morning, children. How are all of you? It has been a very long time that we have met now. Yes, all of you know the reason why you are not coming to school, correct? You are not coming to school because of COVID-19 disease which has been spread all over. Yes, now we will understand our subjects through online classes. So this is your first online class video. So today we will begin with English. So children, what do you remember studying in English in your first standard? You remember the words, sentences, different lines, correct? Do you remember the spellings? Have you forgotten how to read? No, we will revise them. Okay, so today we will start with our first chapter called My Raksha Bandhan. Before that, we will listen to a small story and understand the lesson. Okay, children? Now, listen to me carefully. Okay, now this lesson is all about my sister and me. Do you have sister at home? Yes or no? Yes. Or do you have a brother at home? Question yourself. Okay, now who are siblings, children? Learn this word called siblings. Who are siblings? Siblings are your brothers and sisters. If you have your own brothers and sisters, they are called your siblings. Now, if you have a brother, your brother is called siblings. So, what is the meaning of siblings? Own brothers and sisters. Can you spell with me? Siblings. Siblings. Okay. Now, how many brothers and sisters do you have? Can you tell me? Yeah, I know all of you are answering. So, if you have your brother, he will be called as your siblings. Okay. Now we know, all of us know, either you will have a brother or a sister. So all of us are called, all Indians are brothers and sisters. So we all are Indians, right? We are proud Indians. All our friends and family are brothers and sisters. So if you don't have a brother, what is it? Isn't it very important to have a brother at home or a sister at home? She can play with you, he can sing with you, he can dance with you. So if there is no brother or sister for you, it is boring. Correct? So having brothers and sisters at home is very important. What can we do with them? Shall we read this? Open your textbook to page number 1 and point your finger and read with me. My sister and me. We laugh, we cry, we make time fly. We laugh together, yes. We are laughing, we are always happy. Laughing is being happy. We cry. No, no sad times. We should always be happy. We should not cry. So together we cry. We make time fly. Yes, when you play with your sister or your brother, the time flies. You don't know what the time is. Best friends are we. Yes, your brother or your sister is always your best friend. My sister and me. So you and your sister can do everything. What all can you and your sister do? Your sister can play, your brother can dance, you can play hide and seek, you can watch TV together, you can do everything together. So shall we start with what is this? Brothers and sister. Now, there is a festival celebrated for brothers and sisters. Do you know which it is? That is Raksha Bandhan. Do all of you celebrate Raksha Bandhan? Yes or no? Yes, we all celebrate Raksha Bandhan. Now turn to page number 1 and we will read line by line. Okay? Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. Children, where are we now? We are in South India. So, India is divided into two parts, North India and South India. And we are in South India. So, North India celebrate, it is a festival observed mainly in North India. Okay. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection between brothers and sisters. Means if your brother brings a chocolate for you, it is your brother loves you and so he brings the chocolate for you. Okay, they give you warm feelings that you should always be happy and laughing all the time and playing around all the time. Okay, it is a celebration of love and affection between you and your brother. Okay, children, you understood this? Next. So, all of us know that, children, you have learned there are two epics in India. Tell me, what are the two epics? They are Ramayana and Mahabharata. Tell me again. They are Ramayana and Mahabharata. So, now there is a small story in Mahabharata. So let us read it now. In the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is love, warmth, feeling. Okay, this kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. Who is Krishna and Draupadi? They are one of the characters in Mahabharata. Okay, so now for now you understand this much. This kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. Who is Krishna and Draupadi? Now we will see that. When Krishna's wrist, do you know, children, you remember parts of your body? Wrist is which comes in your hand, between your palm, below your palm is called wrist. You wear bangles, correct? Where do you wear your bangles? On your wrist. Okay. Where do you tie your watch? On your wrist. Okay. When Krishna's wrist bled from a wound, when Krishna's wrist, that is on his hand, bled from a wound. What is bled? Bled is the blood is coming out of your body. If you fall down, what happens? The blood comes out of your body. Like that, in Krishna's hand, that is wrist, the blood started coming out. A wound. Wound is hurt. When you fall down, you hurt yourself. Wound means hurt. Okay. Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari. What did Draupadi do when Krishna hurt his hand? She tore. That means she cut a strip of her sari. She cut a strip of her sari and tied it around his wrist and tied it around his hand. Now, if you fall down, what happens? What will mummy do? Mummy will tear a cloth, that is cut a cloth and tie it around your hand or leg. So, Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari and tied it around his wrist. Correct. So, do you see in the picture? Draupadi is tying on his wrist. You understand where is wrist? Yes. He was so touched by her act. So Krishna liked what Draupadi did. It was so touching that if someone gives you a chocolate, we'll feel so happy. So the same way, Krishna was very happy, so touched he was, that he vowed to protect her. He told Draupadi that I will protect you any day, any situation which comes, I will protect you. As he took her to be his sister from that moment. So the Krishna started taking Draupadi as his sister. So children, we must understand brothers and sisters not only mean our own brothers and sisters. Anybody who shows us this kind of affection, love, the feeling towards us, tries to do good for us, we can treat them as our brother or sister. Okay, children? A friend can also be our brother or sister. Now, shall we read again once more? Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. So, we know so many festivals. Tell me a few festivals. Ganesha festival, Holi festival, Diwali festival. Like these festivals, Raksha Bandhan is a festival observed in North India. It celebrates warm feelings of love and affection. What is love? It is like how your mother shows so much love towards you. It's the love and affection between brothers and sisters. Okay, children. In the epic Mahabharata, this kind of affection is seen. This kind of affection is seen between Krishna and Draupadi. When Krishna's wrist bled, that means Krishna hurt his hand and there was blood coming out of his skin. And so there was a wound. What is wound? Hurt. When you fall down, there is a hurt. The hurt is called a wound. Draupadi tore a strip of her silk sari. Draupadi cut a strip of silk sari. You know Mama wears sari, correct? In that, a part of a cloth was torn. Okay, sari means sari is what? A cloth. A cloth worn by women. Okay, mummy wears sari, correct? So like that, she tore a piece of cloth and tied it round his wrist. She tied it around the hurt of Krishna's hand. Where was Krishna hurt? On his hand. He was so touched by her act and that he vowed to protect her. Krishna was very touched by her act and he told, I will protect you as my sister all the time. Okay, as he took her to be his sister from that moment. Now, Krishna and Draupadi were brothers and sisters. So by this we understand this festival is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. So the festival, when is this festival celebrated? Now you know Diwali is celebrated, Ganesha is celebrated. So we need to know when is Raksha Bandhan celebrated. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day of the month of Shravana. Understood, children? When is there is a full moon day of the month of Shravana. Now, when is Shravana? All of you know Shravan Masa. So, festival is always celebrated on the full moon day. Okay. Now, so you have to read this every day at home to read word by word and understand. So children, you understood the importance of Raksha Bandhan. It is a sacred festival between brothers and sisters. What do we do on this Raksha Bandhan? The sister will tie a Rakhi to his brother. Tell me again. Sister will tie Rakhi to his brother. In return, brother will give sweets, chocolates and gifts. So if you have your brother and your sister at home, you will celebrate Raksha Bandhan. If you have made new brothers and sisters, for them also you will celebrate it. But mainly it is done for own brothers and sisters. So children, did you understand how sacred the relationship of Krishna and Draupadi is? So now you know Krishna and Draupadi are brothers and sisters. Yes? Yes, children. Now, next. So we will understand this. We have understood this line by line. So today, tell this story to your parents, your friends and relatives how Krishna and Draupadi became brothers and sisters. So today, tell me, will you read this at home every day? Yes. So tomorrow I will come with a new chapter lesson again. So if you turn the page, you will see another story for brothers and sisters, that is Raksha Bandhan. So we will do that in the next video. Now, you
चम चमकारों सी झिलमिल चांद सितारों सी चम 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 चमकारों सी भाई को हर साल बांधती बहना राखी बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन लगाती है फिर बांधती राखी है हाँ पहले तिलक लगाती है फिर बांधती राखी है मिठाई खिलाकर बहन भाई से लेती रक्षा का वचन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है ये हमको समझाता है हाँ क्या रिश्ता क्या नाता है ये हमको समझाता है भाई बहन के प्यार को महकाता जैसे चंदन हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन 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 हैप्पी रक्षा बंधन
Children, here you see a sister tying Rakhi to brother and brother has gifts. So this is how Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to understand the importance of brothers and sisters. So children, here are few meanings that we must learn. Why do we learn this? There are certain words that we must learn the meanings. So affection, Pronounce again. Affection means liking or love. You love your parents, you love your friends, you love your teachers. So it's a liking. Tie, to hold two or more things together using strings, means tying Rakhi to your brother's wrist. That is called tying. Or you tie your shoelace. So that is using two strings you tie your shoelace. Understood? Yes, celebrate. To show that a day is important by doing something special. To show you celebrate your birthdays, you celebrate festival. So what do you do on your birthday? You cut cakes. So that is something special. So read it again. To show that a day is important by doing something special. Carry, to take things from one place to another. So your mother buys vegetables, so you have to carry the vegetables. So from where do you carry? From shop to your house. So to take things from one place to another. Protect, keep secure. So your mother protects you. If it is raining outside, you come inside the house to protect yourself from water, that is from rain. If you get wet in the rain, what happens? You will get fever, you will catch cold. So you protect yourself by coming inside your house. So that means keep secure, give safety. Okay. Next, Aarti. So what is the Aarti? Aarti is a plate of lamps or lights on it. So during Diwali or during any festival, you do Aarti to God. In a plate, you keep lamps and you do Aarti to the God or to your and keep lights as for Diwali. Understood, children? These are the meanings for these words. So learn them again and understand. So once we come to the next video, we will be able to understand these words. Read with the words with me again. Affection, tie, celebrate, carry, protect, Aarti. Okay, children. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, be safe. Bye-bye.